I am in my neighborhood. This is where I grew up, y'all. I was born in Jamaica. Grew up a little bit in Jamaica. Came to America. Grew up in America. Went to Gambia. Growing in Gambia. So for all you Gambians who will one day come to America, check this out. This is my neighborhood. So some of you guys are thinking, why would you leave America to come to Gambia? I know, I get that from you guys all the time. I didn't leave America. Not permanently. I love Gambia. I love Jamaica. But I also love America. So these three places, I consider them to be my home. And for all y'all out there who say you shouldn't love America and you should only love Africa, that's your opinion. That's not my opinion. Right? So this is it. This is my neighborhood in America. I'm heading to the store. I'm heading to the store to get some children's book. You know, I have a family in Gambia. I have a family there. So I'm gonna get some children's book so I can read to my baby over the phone. But this is just a quick video. What am I rocking? Check it out. You know, my clocks, my shorts, and my red, white, and blue shirt.